Yo. What's up, chat? What's up, chat? Let's go. Yo, everybody, hit the like button. All right. Let me get the Discord popping here. Hold on a second. Hopefully everybody's doing good so far, man. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Bop, 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 bop. Welcome in. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good night, actually. It's a good night so far, so good. All right, let me send this Discord announcement in, let everybody know what the deal is, even though y'all should know already what the deal is. It's every single night at the same exact time. Haven't missed a day yet this week. Come on, it's Tuesday, but it's Tuesday night. All right, come on, guys. All right, everybody join in here. Hit the like button. Don't worry, charts are coming. Charts are coming. Any second now, Wait for it. Charts. What's good, guys? Stop profit, take loss. You know how it goes. It's time for a haircut. My hair is just insane right now. All right, guys. Good morning or good night. Sorry, I don't know. Let's look at some stuff. Let's look at some charts. Let's try to make some wise trading decisions and not lose money tonight. That'd be awesome. Let's try to not lose money. Monies. Good. What's good, Bam? It's the second day you come in here and say that, Bam. Chill. All right. Last but not least, good old TikTok. Just opened a silver long. All right, let's check that out. Let's check out silver, I guess. Check out a whole bunch of things. All right. So, I mean, it's been crazy. Last night we ended the stream, and then of course, in huge dumps. We ended the stream here and all this chop kind of as we were pulling back, and then as soon as we get off, not as soon as we get off, but kind of into the late Asia session, early London, we dump an excess 400 points. New York opens up. This thing did not get much recovery into the New York Open, but we opened up and held that low. We held the weekly lows, or no, we broke the weekly lows, but held the previous week lows. These lows here. So 24,242 is still in place, and we had a pretty nice rally into the close, and now we're kind of holding structure. And this is an awesome bounce off 629. So that's what we're looking at right now. We'll look at gold also. What's good, guys? Yeah, I think we would like to. Try to get long, honestly, in NQ. But we will keep our eyes open. I just want the market to pick a direction, man. That's all. Okay, y'all said maybe some traders in the chat are long on the metals. Metals seem to be a little directional here. Let's take a look. Yeah, we've got a really weak momentum retracement on the hourly off of that 5,000 level. 5,000, man. But we can't ignore the day we saw today on gold was very bearish. I think we closed down 4.5%. So we'll see how speedy the recovery is on gold. But yeah, no way I'm longing this. Okay. Yeah, dude, there's a lot of uncertainty. It's tricky to it's tricky. We're getting a pullback here. Let's just wait. How's everybody's night going so far, man? Sorry I was a little bit late. I was at a dinner. We're here, though. We are here. I don't hate trying to get long here. Just think of our downside risk, first of all. I would like to see this hourly hold. This hourly low at 633, I would like to see hold. Just play the continuation long, maybe into some of the structure that we have here above 700s. A lot of structure here that we could trade into. Seems like a pretty fair price for the market right now. If we can get back in there and kind of range around, that'd be cool. Maybe we should have stopped talking and got long there at 681 because we are up 20 points. Are we testing VWAP right now? VWAP's sitting at 720. No way I'm waiting for a sell. I respect it. I respect that. I respect it. These trading conditions are horrible. Yeah, I've been saying that. I've been saying that one. Dude, I mean, yeah, today was a little tricky. I was green today, so I'm happy. I think given how crazy that session was, I mean, this was your session. Like, this was your overnight session. This was your New York session. Somehow I walked away green, so I'm a happy camper. Dude, we got to get long on it. We're watching this thing go without us. I was thinking about doing it at 680, but nope, that's true, Max. That's true, man. That is very true. If you're able to survive during these conditions, then whenever better conditions come around, you're gonna be a killer. Straight up. Straight up. I've had a good week so far. I'm up like 3,500. I'm on my personal live account as well. I'm having a good week. So far, so good. Try not to ruin it. Can't even see your screen, bro. Hey, my bad, G. My bad. Your mind is a stream of color. Okay, we're here testing the VWAP. I see the continuation here. I see the continuation higher, up back into the 750, 760s. Doesn't feel like the best dip buy, but fairly confident in this moving back. We're already reclaiming the bottom of that range. We got a nice V-shaped recovery off the 630s. You know, we kind of build structure here around VWAP. I very much like this trade to go long. I mean, I liked it down here at 680. We were just getting the stream started, so I didn't really execute. How's Tradeify live account going? Rip. Rippity rip rip rip. Yeah, I don't have that anymore. I lost that about a month ago, but I did take it. I will say the thing about the Tradeify account, I took payouts on it actively, so you know I'm happy with that. I actively took payouts on it, so that was good. That was good. But yeah, it perished. It perished. What, I didn't know that. Yeah, I had mentioned it. I mean, yeah, I had lost it. They give me 30K balance. Add a couple green days, a couple red days. But I actively took payouts. I took pretty healthy payouts out of that account. Took $4,000 or $5,000 payouts several times, so not too upset with that. Not too upset with that. At least I took payouts out of it. So you can't go live with them anymore? No, I don't think so. I don't think that's the case. Well, you try to get another one. I'm going to try to get some TPT lives first and some My Funded Futures lives and some Lucid lives first, but eventually maybe. Other than Top Step, what prop should I do next? I think right now Apex is a good cheap alternative, man. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Apex is a very good cheap alternative at the moment. I know that's a crazy one, but like with the end of day thing, and then now you don't have to worry the end of day accounts, and now you don't have to worry about the other BS rules that they used to have. Okay, I'm gonna try to start building. I kind of want to take a little scalp here, man, back into the 80s. Let me see what I can do here. I don't love how we're getting filled in the 80s. I'm trying to build a position around the 70s. I'm looking to play a little bounce into the 680s, 690s on this. Start to build along here. I might, if I get quick resolution, I might just take like a quick $50 out of it and reposition. I don't think I would hate that. Let's see. What do we want to do? I'm trying to get a little scalpy here. A little scalpy. Kind of like where we are right here. I mean, if we start flushing with volume and we start threatening these lows at 630, we'll probably look to cut it. But I don't mind this for like a little, at least a little quick long scalp trade into the 90s again. Does not seem half bad. I think I like the entry. I do like the entry. I think we're gonna just stick with this for a second. Stick with this for a second. If we can pop back into 690s, get back above 700, we are cooking. Let's see what we can do here. Hey, first time here, just hit the sub. Appreciate that sub. Everybody in the YouTube chat, man, if y'all just joining in, make sure you hit the sub button, hit the like button. All right. Add more of the 60s. If we can't hold 630s, we're bailing. I'm in 5. We need to hold this low, otherwise we're bailing. Got a manual stop. We start running back through 630s. We're bailing. Might be another one of those. Here's what I will say, man. Here's what I will say. I've noticed this. Sometimes when we have uncertain markets, these overnight sessions just really tend to like just sell. New York does what it does, but these overnight sessions just sometimes sell. It was very much like that when we were dealing with COVID. Like the overnight sessions just somehow sell. They never really find bids. So I'm interested to see if that becomes a theme, to be honest with you. This is a really ugly pullback, though, to say the least. Excuse me. Come on, hold the 50s. Turn on that beach. Yeah, that's an ugly little 5-minute. How low are we going? Are we taking new lows? She's heavy. Where are we going is my question. All right, we may need to bail if this can't hold the 40s here. It's very surprising. So what's the theme here? New York session, we rally. Asia session, we give back the entire rally times 2. That might be the theme. Bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Don't love how deep that pullback was, to be honest. Would have really preferred to see this hold a higher low. In that case, just like a level higher than this, pulling way lower into this support than I wanted it to. Would have liked to see it hold at least at the 70s, 60s. We ended up getting all the way down to 48. Not a fan of that. Let's see if we can see some green on the screen, though. Use EMA better than SMA. Yeah, I'm using an What's an HMA? What is that? Never heard of that in my life. What is an HMA? Okay, we were not paying attention. We probably could have taken some off in the 80s. I do like this 5-minute candle fighting back, though. I think we kind of just want to give this some space. Let it see. I think 700s. I think we can see 700s on this bounce. That's our upside target. Let's see if we can catch that 700 level. Come on, NQ. Hold some fucking, like, hold your breath, dude. Hold something hold something. Damn. I understand, brother. Like, the world's scary and shit, but like, bro, you hold the fucking bit a little bit. I need you above 70 right now, champ. All right. All right, then. All right, then. We might see new lows on the session early. We do not like this. We do not like this. '60s looking just dead. This doesn't look good, man. This doesn't look good. All right. Looking for this to snap back. Otherwise, we're on bell mode. We are on bell mode if this doesn't snap back into the 60s right here, to be quite honest with you. Dude, this market is disgustingly weak right now. Yikes. 50 don't want to hold. All right, we flipped through this low. I think it's bell mode. Bell mode. I'm down 210, chat. I did like that dip buy, but we just continue putting in lower highs. We're just like not holding structure here. I really hope it doesn't go here now that I got out, because I don't want to keep doing this bullshit back and forth. Yeah, of course. I don't know, dude. Well, it seems a little early to go back and forth with this thing, start FOMO and shit. Still like the long, but like it was not looking good at all. But now it looks better. I do not want to go back and forth with this shit, though. I really don't. I really don't, but it looks fine. It looks fine now. I'm not trying to fucking dig up a grave right now, but fuck me, I'm long. I'm gonna entertain this as long as it's showing some strength at 680, man. We're looking for the playback into 700s. Excuse me. Excuse me. Got to get above 87s here. Then we're looking for 700s. So we can clear 87s here, 700s. Nice. So far, so good. Trying to size in this. This looks like a break of at least a break in the 90s here. Come on, bro. You got to break 80. Got to break 80. Oh, yeah. Got to hold some type of higher low here, man. We're starting early with this. We are starting early with this, I fear. Pop the 80s. Pop the 80s. Bro, this fucking, like, come on. It is too, dude, it's too early for this. We got to get above 80s, man. This is crazy rejections. This is disgusting, man. This is disgusting. Why do you trade Asia, bro? Because I like to. 80s, we have not tested you about 4 or 5 times. We have to break. I don't like how we're unable to break. This has to break soon. Dude, it's too early for this bullshit right now. Come on. Like, it's genuinely too early for this bullshit right now. Come the fuck on. Break into the 700s. Oh, it's that 8 o'clock candle, by the way. Ugh. It's too early, man. I almost feel like I'm getting on tilt already in this. I've literally been trading for, how long have we been live? I feel feel like I'm already on tilt. What the fuck's happening? I legit feel like I'm already on tilt. We've been live for like 10 minutes. This fucking price action is pulling it out of me right now, man. Pulling it out of me. Well, we took most of the size off, fought back from some red. We'll be down at like, we're down 120 bucks. Could be fucking worse. This shit's pulling it out of me, dude. Let's take a breather. Let's do this, bro. I genuinely feel like I'm on a little fucking tilt right now. Let's do like a 5-minute timeout. Let's put ourselves in timeout for like 5 minutes. What the fuck is happening? All right, let's chill. No, stop. I've got a manual stop. That's not unnatural. I usually always have a manual stop. This shit is pulling it out of me. This fucking price action is disgusting. No, I'm no longer on tilt. We were on tilt. I think I'm good now. This ping pong shit. This puts me on tilt quicker than anything. Is this ping pong price action? I think that's probably most people's tilt triggers. This ping pong shit. You're not alone. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone. You sometimes make mistakes on tilt even at your level. Yeah, all the time, bro. All the time. Can't you see it's a range and just fade it? Yeah, it's a range until it's not a range, but I mean, good eye. I hope you're making profits. If you see that it's a range, and I hope you're making profits and not just saying it in hindsight. I mean, shit, if it was that easy. I'm starting to wonder. Price action clean as F. You expecting a bounce in the middle of nowhere? This guy's spitting facts. Yeah, brother, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Yeah, that was weird, man. That was a weird, like y'all just saw in real time me go on tilt a little bit. How'd that happen? That price, I mean, that was a quick little tilt. Like literally, we've been live for 20 minutes. I went on tilt on one trade. Literally, I took one trade, then I was on like a little semi tilt. Now I'm out of it. But isn't that funny? Like you never know when it's gonna sneak up on you. Like you can take 5 trades and lose them all and not go on tilt, and then you can take one and it's just nobody knows the exact formula. Just sneaks up on you. Can you update us on what happened to the Bitcoin trade? I ended up bailing before I hit my stop loss, but I mean y'all saw that was I only had 5 on. It was like a $150 trade. So I lost that trade, but that's what happened. Yeah, because Bitcoin sold, because NQ sold as well, so Bitcoin just everything tanked. So naturally Bitcoin trade didn't work out. But it was only $150 loser, so not bad. Did you buy, sell? No. I took one buy. Then we just weren't really able to. I ended up scratching on it. I took this buy, then scratched on it here. Then it bounced right back up. And then I mean it was tilt. I was just tilting from there. Because I tried it, and then it was sticky, and I kept adding. I don't know. Little tilt, but I'm better now. Wider stops and not as precise entries. Yep, you said that yesterday. How'd today go for you, trader? Because you were talking about that yesterday. This feels like fucking yesterday. This feels like last night. Do you think we just sell off again? Here's what I'll say, man. I remember trading the COVID markets, and it was just a shaky market, a lot of uncertainty, right? A lot of the times what happens in markets like this is that we'll see, like, New York will do whatever it does. It's usually some type of pump or some type of recovery from the blood of however much we faded last night. But sometimes these shake, like whenever there's uncertainty, these overnight sessions just kind of fade. I've noticed that it's really hard to catch, like, get a bid in these markets in the overnight when the markets are a little uncertain like this. I've noticed that. I will say I've noticed that. I don't know if that's going to be the same pattern this time, like with what we're dealing with now, but it's something to keep an eye out on, because the market's kind of getting a pattern of doing that whenever things are just shaky. They'll just typically fade in the overnight. I don't know why it's like that, but I don't know if anybody recognizes that either, but it happens. Like more often, I'm not just saying, like, naturally when the market's uncertain, it's going to be selling in general, but more often than not, these overnight sessions sell, I've noticed in the past. I don't know if that's the case this time. Brendan, you have a good strategy to pass evals quick? Yeah, man, I would say just trade it the same way you pass evals quick. No, not anything. I mean, what you guys see me do is how same kind of stuff that I do to pass evals. Although right now I've got a whole bunch of evals I'm copy trading, and I'm literally taking it super slow. I'm not trying to. Been blowing too many evals in this market, so I'm not trying to do all that. That's a really aggressive bounce off 30s. There might be a little. I don't know. I was thinking of maybe trying to get long for a scalp on the break of 660, but that is a pretty killer bounce. I guess we just wait for new lows here in the session, I guess. I have a problem passing evals, have a problem keeping the funded. Yeah, that's for most people the issue. I mean, this is a decent little low. I just don't know if it's worth the damn. I mean, I don't know if it's worth the damn. It's the same thing, right? Same thing we've been dealing with. Like, this is a nice move, but I don't know if it's worth a damn. Like, is this actually going to be a strong level of structure to trade off of, or are we just going to BS back into it? That's the question. I think a break of 660s right here, short term, is likely. I don't know what we're looking at. Let's look at like a 5-minute. I use volume profile. I don't, but I mean, people that do use them, like, yeah, that's awesome. If you use it, you know, that's great. I don't use it, but I don't have anything against it either. You always live stream every single night at 7 p.m. So if you guys aren't in here, make sure you're in here. Okay, I'm long for a break of the 60s here. I don't see any world where that doesn't break out above 60. We've tested it now 5 times on this tick chart over here. I guess bell if it doesn't break out or bell. Wow, it's not breaking. I'm baffled. I mean, this is weakness. Okay, pull that shit out. Jeez. Literally 4 times we tested that on the 500 tick chart. No break at all. Like, can't even peek its head above it. All right, we're going lower. Shit. We're still holding this. I mean, we're still holding this. We'll try this again for the break of 60s. It's the 5th time we've tested 60. If we don't break above 60 here, I'm actually surprised as shit. There it goes, a little bit. Fuck yeah. All right, let's hold on to this bad boy and see what we can do. Put the stop deep within this low and see what the fuck we can do. Let her work. Let her work. If this thing just, oh, dude, imagine we come right back down like nothing. We could. This 5 minutes got to hold something, man. Hold something. Hold the 60s. Hold something. I like where we're in at. We gotta hold, dude. You gotta hold yourself up, man. Head up. Head up. Head up. Head up. Put your head up. Put your chin up. Holy crap. That fucking bounce just got completely faded. Holy shit. I mean, it's getting faded so aggressively that it's insane. I mean, these like literally getting faded so aggressively. Like, holy crap. This market feels like it's about to fall off of the fucking edge of the earth. 80s to 50s. Can't even hold that. We may never get green at this rate. I mean, the setups have been there. That was awesome move, but just can't hold a thing. Can't hold a thing. Craziness, man. Should I press sell and go to sleep? It seems like it. This is crazy shit. This is crazy. Like, we couldn't even hold any of that for a second. This market just feels so heavy. Try a short. I don't know, man. Just not really feeling the short. Although it is, this thing just looks so weak. That's disgusting. I mean, that whole thing just wicked. And sell. No, I don't want to sell it. I don't want to sell it. I just don't want to. What's good, Askin? What's good, bro? I mean, if this thing could hold 5 points for more than a second, that'd be incredible. Yeah, we might have a situation here, man, where this literally just fades every fucking night that this Iran war is going on. Just cannot find buyers in here at all. This reminds me a lot of yesterday, honestly. It's like a slow pullback. Just doesn't get bought, doesn't get bought, doesn't get bought. Eventually falls off a cliff. Same exact thing. Just part of it is hilarious. Oh, boys. I don't know what we want to do. I just don't know, man. This thing is... But they never make it easy. I mean, it's not totally easy to get short here because, you know, you could, I mean, we could bounce. It's not like we're getting a lot of momentum. It's just like a slow chop right now. Got support at 600 if we hold it. If. I really would prefer to get, if I'm gonna do it, I want to stick my neck out there and get a better entry and not chase it after we've already started to show some buying strength. You know? I don't want to be caught in it trying to get long late. That's what I don't want. I don't want to be late. You might get a little bounce here, 620s. Once again, like we're kind of just taking the lows, balancing. It's not like a ton of volume to the downside. We're kind of holding, if you will, like a bit of a range. There might be an opportunity here to get... I'm going to try it. I'm going to get long. That's 37 if I can. I don't even know if I can. I still like it. I still like it long, but it's... I don't want to chase it too high. Because every time I chase it high, it just gets shot. Like we've seen it a couple times. You chase it too high, it just runs back down hard. This is looking good, though. All right, we're giving it a good shot. Giving it a good shot. Looking to play it back into the 60s here. This entry is kind of like within the previous lows, but we broke that low. Not a lot of continuation to the sell side and just bouncing right back up above it. See what we can do here. Do I see profit take profit and just try to get in again? This is a kick-ass bounce. I've said that a couple times about this market, and then it just sells it right after. But this is a nice ass bounce. Really nice. Really nice. Can we tackle some of these levels here that we've put in? 70s. We have levels at 80s. Can we get up there? It's a nice 5-minute candle close. Don't spoil the party, NQ. You've got a damn good shot at being pretty right here. I think this thing might do something despicable. Might do something despicable. All right, 67 is our current high. We need to take out. This looks good for a push into the 70s. If we can get above 67 here. I'm looking at this pivot on the 500 tick chart. We had that level at 680 sell. I don't want to speak too soon, but this looks pretty good. Might have spoke too soon though. We'll see. say that it looks good a couple times and it just dumps on us. How am I down 200? Like, how did we get down this bad? If I recall, I feel like I only took a loss, a small loss on like a couple micros. How are we down this bad? 200 starts to feel like the mission impossible. And we are failing to hold any piece of integrity. They want to try to add back? I don't think I mind trying to build a position around the low 50s if it holds. If it holds. Nice. Now let's do a magic trick here. Let's do something simple. Let's do a beginner's magic trick. The magic trick is break the high of the candle that has been, like, break the high of this high. Break the high of the candle. Let's try that. Let's try that. I don't know if we can do that. I know it's a crazy trick. Crazy magic trick. Novice. Beginner's magic trick. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can go up more than 10 points before dumping 30. It's a big request. It's a really big request. It's a huge request. Okay, that's a decent little open. Can we rip 67 here? I fear this might be too large of a request. I feel like this might be too large of a request. Wow. When this thing finds resistance, it's like it doesn't even retest. It holds it and sells hard off of it. It's brutal when this thing gets hit with resistance. Even that, like, gotta close at 61, but we can't retest 67. Yeah, this thing. Oh god, this thing sucks. This thing sucks. Wow, this is baffling. Bafflingly weak. Bafflingly, is that a word? Bafflingly. Oh my god. Dude, there is no fucking bid anywhere ever at all. Oh my god, this market is so done. Oh, this is so bad. Oh, this is so ugly. There's no way we get a bid on that. Yo. We might call it early, man. We might have to call it early. I'm getting smoked. Like, there's no strength here at all. There's no strength. It's hard to short too, because like you short and then it rips 40. It's just the timing. Everything about this is just so twisted to me. I don't know, man. This is not good. This is not good. This shit's like actually not good. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This I don't know, man. I don't think it's good to trade this. I know it's not good to trade this. This is fucking bullshit, man. Like actually bullshit. Not worth fucking risking money in this dog shit. What's your lowest point in trading right now? Hey, yo, Jonas, appreciate the follow on YouTube. I don't know what I want to do here, man. I'm already in a pretty fucking deep hole. $400 is more than I want to lose trading a couple micros in this bullshit. It's because the ranges are so wide. We're violently ripping 30 points higher, no continuation, ripping 30 points lower. Like, just ping ponging. Like, I'm getting smoked. I'm getting smoked. I'm getting smoked in this shit. I mean, part of me is like, stop the bleeding before it gets worse. Stop the bleeding before it gets worse. Stop the bleeding before it gets worse. Like, even then, we break lows, and then we're like 10 points up. This probably bounces into 45, 50, rips all the way back down. Right now, an effective strategy would just be to buy the break of the low of day, then sell it at exactly the 2-minute mark after you've held it, and just get rid of it, then let it break low day again, buy it, sell it, like hold it for like 30 seconds, a minute, let it bounce, sell it. I don't know. 400's not intolerable, but like, how am I even down this much? It's because these ranges are so fat, like 30-point swings. You take a couple losses in that, even with a couple micros, yeah, you're gonna be down $400. Like, this is baiting you to try to buy it again. Just baiting you. I don't know. I mean, what the fuck? Look at this 5-minute chart. What's happening? South Korea, North Korea, South Korea? When you be on top of the TV again? I don't know. Soon, I imagine. Jeez, dude, what a nightmare. What just a disgusting nightmare that is on NQ. Like, sure, we don't just sell off all night again, just like last night, right? That'd be insane. Anything could happen. What's crack? What's good, George? What is good? Getting murked in this chop right now is what's happening to me. Getting murked. I don't know what we want to do. I mean, I'm interested in the buy, but I mean, see profit, take profit. Maybe it's hard to hold on to anything right now. Everything's selling so hard. What has been kind of working, man, if you buy the break of the lows and then sell it on a 10-point bounce, just get out, rinse and repeat. That genuinely has been working. Like, we're not breaking with momentum to the downside. Let's see if we can just see profit, take profit a little bit in this market. Let's try to get a long scalp off this low. See if I'm wrong once again. Chad, hold up now. At this point, I just need to see some green for a second, bro. Get my confidence back, I guess. We can't even hold it for like a second. Yeah, dude. What a shit show this is. Trying to see this pattern holds where we break the lows and then bounce, break the lows, bounce. But I feel like now I'm about to get caught in the ripper down. No, 610's catching a little bit. I've got a manual stop. Like, if we flush 600s right here, this starts to look a lot like last night. Catching a little bit of a bounce here. Maybe not. All right, man. All right, man. All right. All right. All right. All right. We're cutting the stream, bro. I'm getting my ass kicked. I'm getting my ass kicked. Now I mean, this is like literally like yesterday. I'm gonna dip out. We're gonna call it an early one. I recognize that I'm on tilt. I'm gonna lock out for fucking ever. We'll lock out until we get out of this bullshit. Lock out until, you know what? Probably just the morning. Let's lock out. How do we just, okay, let's do 8:30. Let's do like 7:30. 7:30 a.m. Listen, guys, this is what it is, man. I'm on tilt, chat. I'm trading this wrong direction, first of all. Continue trying it, second of all. It was choppy. Okay, there's some opportunities to retrace to the upside. Now we're actually breaking away. I'm just very much caught on the wrong side of it. So I'm down 700. Get my ass kicked. So we're out of here. Yeah. Yep. That's what it is, man. That's what trading is. I mean, y'all are seeing like real and raw. I am on tilt. I mean, I don't really think I'm on tilt. I don't know. Like, this was very valid. We keep breaking lows, holding, retracing. I'm trying to kind of position myself, but now it's in a free fall. I guess because we took out these lows here at 600. So I don't want to be trying to do it when we have momentum. So I'm out of there. Get my ass kicked. I'm locked out to the AM. I guess we'll be back tomorrow morning and see what happens. But yeah, I'm not gonna keep doing this with myself. Yeah. I'm a little bit on tilt. And it's not even that. It's like sometimes just locking yourself out for a little while until, like, you know, when you lock yourself out, whenever you're unlocked, if it's for a reasonable amount of time, the market structure and the sentiment of the market is completely shifted at that point. So it's like a whole different market. I don't know. I mean, I was interested in trying to get long in Q at some point tonight, but this is like, maybe it's 594. Maybe that's the right trade. But it doesn't matter. We're getting smoked. I would not be surprised to see 594 hold, but We're locked out now. We'll watch it for a little bit longer, but yeah, I don't know. It's not. I mean, $700 is bad, but it's not horrible. It's just unfortunate. Are you gonna go crazy? Like, well, I'm locked out, bro. I can't go crazy. Can't go crazy. That's why I locked myself out until the morning. Because I mean, I could get off stream, and now that since y'all are watching, maybe do some dumb shit. So I'm not even gonna do that. Just lock out till the morning. $700 is not that bad, but it's more than I want to be down scalping fucking micros, to say the least. Still very much think the market's long, but killing me. I could do an eval. I could fucking. I have some Apex EOD evals I could fuck around it. I could do one. It would cost me $50. Take the edge off a little bit. We could end the stream trying to do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. I got an Apex eval. I bought it for like 1 second. I bought it for like what, $50? Let's do that. Let's do that. We'll just do that. We'll do that. I'll take the long idea in kind of a disciplined format and see if it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't matter because it's an eval, right? So whatever. So we'll see if we can do that. Why not? See if we can make some progress towards passing it at least. Protect the live account. YOLO want to fund it a little bit. Not YOLO, but you know what I mean. You know what they mean, you know? Hold on. I'm still like, I think I was right about looking for a dip buy because look, now you got 611. It's just so wrong, man, so wrong. Why can't it let me log into TradingView? I think just paper cuts is what the issue was. Paper cuts. $700. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're logged in now. All right, we're logged in. Let's see what. Let's do this. Let's just try to like try to pass like one account. Yeah. Okay. So one of these TBT counts are actually passed. All I have to do is flip. Okay, that's done. All right, let's see if we can get this bad boy passing or close. Let's try to make like $2,000 or something cool. I'm gonna use Top Step for the charting, and then I'll go over there and take the trade. Even though, yeah, I mean, Down 707. Yep, down 707. Let's look at the damage. Like, what did we actually... I'm sure if I look at this, it's going to say we traded a shit ton. Okay, see... Now that, I don't think truly reflects... Chat, it was a lot of it was a lot of entries exits. Yeah, that's fucked. It's fucked. Dog shit. All right, let's try to catch a little piece of the pie here. Oops, sorry. All right. Oh, dude, there's nothing worse than being down $700, man. It's nothing worse than being down $700 except for being down $800. Shit's annoying. Shit's annoying because you feel like you bust your ass to like do good. I've done so good this week, and then I just lose self-control a little bit. Not even that, just market's just bullshit. That's all it is. I don't even think I lost that much self-control. I was getting in at decent spots, but what can you do? All right, blow or bust. Blow or bust. Long again, dude. I mean, yeah. I fucking believe in it. I wasn't doing this shit for no reason. I just got hoed on this account. That's all. Shit's going long. I'm telling you, it's going long. I'm not just saying it for my health. Shit is long. Chat, what, understand this really quick, dude. I wasn't fucking wrong about the trade. I just lost too much money before I was right. Do you understand? Don't be mistaken. I'm never wrong. I just lost too much money before I was right. Duh. Can't see the screen? Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, bro, like I'm not wrong about the shit. I just inflicted too much damage. Emotional damage. I mean, shit, I knew I wasn't wrong about it. No, just truly, like, I didn't get the right entry, I think. That's all. I didn't get the right entry, then I tried it too many times and just got cut to shit instead of just starting smaller. That's what I should have done. I'm like Michael Burry. I'm not wrong. I'm not wrong. No, I mean, I knew this shit. Like, that was simple. It's the not losing money beforehand is the issue. All right, bang, 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 bye, bye. We'll take that little 2K trade. I'm happy with that. Little 2K right there in the bread basket. In the bread. Oh no. Yeah, in the bread basket. Not so bad. All right. Well, I did what I wanted to do. Hopefully tomorrow. I mean, hopefully tomorrow we can be green. But I can't trade until 7:30 in the morning, so I hope that we're green tomorrow. I do hope. Funny how you do better in oh yeah, no, that's people do. I mean, that's that's an eval for sure. Evals are easier, fundeds are easier than fundeds. Fundeds are easier than live accounts. That's the sequence. You're so not. I mean, that was just an eval, guys. That was nothing. That was just an eval. But it's closer to passing, so that's good. Probably going to go buy another 15 Apex accounts. Probably. All that damage just to see NQ not bounce up here. It's frustrating. All that damage just to see, like literally all of this just to get all of this pain right here just for it to bounce. Because frankly, I was using too much size. All of this pain just for it to take the low, then bounce. I should have known better than that. I should have known better than that. I was feeling a little confident for some reason tonight. $700's very doable, man. Very doable on a comeback. I can make a couple $100 with a couple micros. Suddenly $700 turns to 500. You know, then maybe if I can make another good trade, 500 turns to 300. Also need to be okay with the fact that, dude, some days might just be red, man. Some days can be red, and you got to be okay with that. I'm still working on that a lot. Being okay with a red day. I think that's a lot of people just cannot accept. Me included. Like, I have trouble with it. Don't want to accept a red day. Like, nah, bro. Well, we're slightly red. Even tomorrow, I'm going to wake up and want to turn this green. What's important is that I try my best to only take good trades and not trade the P&L. Having a red day is going to happen. If I don't go about it the right way, and I do it in a way that's like gambly, and I don't try to be disciplined about it and only look to trade good setups to get my P&L back to green, then it won't do me any good. So I have a whole night to think about it, though, because I locked myself out for 10 hours. I have a whole night to think about it. Wait, what just happened? What do you mean? I knew I was right about the damn trade. I just lost too much money beforehand. Drawdowns don't feel good. No, they don't. I mean, that's just like the emotions at the forefront of everything. Like, nobody wants to lose money. Trust me, I don't want to fucking lose money. I don't want to lose $700. Are you kidding me? You think you think I'm gonna happily, you know what I mean? Like, happily lose $700? Nah. But you got to fight that, man. You have to fight that away. You have to fight that off. There goes NQ. Right trade, wrong shit. You know? This is a really clean rally. I get grumpy when I lose. Same. Yeah, just got to be okay with taking a small red day if that's the case. Like, if tomorrow doesn't give me a setup that I would take regardless of P&L, then I shouldn't take the trade. I mean, it's not like, you know, it's not the end of the world. Does was one red day make you a bad trader? No, definitely not. Yeah, I agree. Doesn't make you a bad trader. Just like one green day doesn't make you a great trader. Just being patient, wait for the setups. That's going to be the main thing tomorrow. We'll see if we can come back. My goal is to try to come back to green, but I'm not going to try to force it, you know. Well, I hope you guys had a better night than me. So here's the recap, because we're probably about to sign it off. We tried NQ long all throughout this range and just really, and it's not to blame price action. I mean, I don't care. I'll blame price action. I also blame myself, but I blame price action is a little bit to blame. But having said that, I should still be doing better, right, as a trader. Having said that, I'm not going to deny that this price action was dog shit. Like, just really wild, so really wide range. These swings look promising. They swing us out, pop, just like fucked. Really bad. So I'll say that I don't care to complain about the market. It was a bad market for me to trade. Like, it wasn't a clean market to trade. That's just the bare truth. Did I do shitty? Yeah, I did shitty, but the market did me no favors. Once again, the market didn't owe you any favors. I understand that, but I'm still partially, it is market's fault a little bit. All right, guys, I think we're gonna kick it. We caught the nice trade on the eval right there at the end, so that was cool. Eval's closer. Yep, I'm gonna go buy a couple Apex accounts, maybe YOLO them, drink some milk, go to bed. I hope everybody has an incredible night. You'll be back? Yeah, we'll be back. We will definitely be back. If you guys are looking to catch the next stream, I will be live tomorrow morning at market open. If you guys are interested in that, you can hit the link in my YouTube description. If not, tomorrow night. Hopefully tomorrow night is better than this. Giveaway, bro? Go use my code BPC and maybe they'll give me some giveaways. Some days you lose, it's math. Yeah, I mean, being able to accept a red day is going to help so much. I'm still personally working on that all the time. You know, I still have trouble accepting a red day, but that if you can do that, that's huge. I hate just like 700's nothing. It's a lot when it's a live account. But at the same time, I've lost $4,500 in this account, and I don't feel as bad. It's not about really the P&L. It's a little bit about the P&L. It's more about the way I got here. Felt very undisciplined. That's why I'm a little upset. I feel like I did this to myself. I feel like I just screwed myself over a lot within this shit. Like, I feel like the effort put into losing the $700 amounts to nothing. To like how difficult it is to make, like, to be very disciplined, wait for a perfect setup, right? Like, to execute properly how you should execute to make $700. This feels like just a waste of potential for me to throw away $700 on just bullshit like this. That's why I'm upset. It's not so much the P&L, it's about how I traded it to get there. But this isn't a sob thing, man. It's all good. Once again, I hope everybody has a good night. I hope y'all trade super well tonight, tomorrow. And we will see y'all in the next one. God bless everybody.